No, you got to pull it. Didn't you have to pull the alternator loose also? Right? Or not?
Yeah. Let's go ahead and remove the alternator now. So removing the alternator, there is a plug right here.
Oh, you're taking the whole thing off there.
Yeah. There we go. Push this pin, and when you get the click, then pull it out. There's a 10 back here that's holding the. We'll pull the 10 off. It's a 10 bolt. Pull the ground strap off it. Oh, yeah. What I was trying to say is don't lose. Oh, we never disconnected the battery. So you might want to disconnect the battery. Rich, you want to disconnect the battery? Because I'm sparking over here. I want to pause it. Alright. So we missed one minor detail. I was taking the alternator apart and we started sparking everywhere. When you're doing this major service, disconnect the battery. It's back here. You pull this lid out of the way, and it's literally right here. And grab a number 10, the little bolt right here, loosen that bolt, and just remove this cable out of the way, and now you have no power. Yeah. So the alternator is held on by 3 number 10s. It's literally 1, 2, and 3. How would you remove this? How would you change the alternator in this car? You have to take the front end off, huh?
You have to put it in service mode, just like we did.
Yeah. So, these are all the same length. They're all the same length on this, so you don't have to worry about, you just pull the whole thing out like this. And you can, leave the bolts in there if you want.